In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Airtable to a CSV file. This is a simple process, but it helps to understand what each step is doing so you can make sure you export exactly the data you need. A CSV file is a common format that works well with spreadsheet tools like Excel and Google Sheets, which makes it useful for reporting, sharing, or backing up your records. To begin, open the Airtable base you want to export from. Make sure you're in the correct base before moving on, especially if you manage multiple projects or workspaces. Since exports reflect the data currently visible in the area you choose, it's important to start in the right place. Next, choose the table or view you need. This part matters because Airtable can contain several tables, and each one may also have different views with different filters, sorting, or hidden fields. If you only want a specific set of records, select the correct view before exporting. Taking a moment here can save you from having to repeat the process later. Once you're in the right table or view, open the View menu. Depending on your Airtable layout, this may appear as a drop-down for the current view or as an options menu. The goal here is to access the settings related to that specific view, since the export option is usually found there. From that menu, choose Download CSV. Airtable will then prepare the visible data as a CSV file. Keep in mind that what gets exported usually matches the current view, so if filters or hidden columns are applied, that can affect what appears in the final file. If something seems missing later, the view settings are the first place to check. After that, save the file to your computer. Choose a location that's easy to find, such as your Downloads folder or a project folder you already use. It's also a good idea to leave the file name clear and recognizable so you can identify the export quickly later on. Now open the CSV file in Excel or Google Sheets. This lets you work with the data in a familiar spreadsheet format. You can sort it, review it, share it, or prepare it for import into another system if needed. Finally, review the export carefully to make sure the data is complete. Check that the rows, columns, and values match what you expected to export. If anything looks off, go back to Airtable and confirm you selected the correct table or view before downloading again. And that's how to export data from Airtable to a CSV file quickly and accurately.